If you use your emergency fund, prioritize replenishing it as soon as possible. Keeping it too accessible. While it should be accessible, avoid keeping it in your regular checking account to prevent accidental spending. During economic downturns, building an emergency fund can be more challenging but also more critical. Here's how to adapt. Prioritize essentials. Focus on essential expenses and cut back on non-essentials. Look for additional income. Diversify your income sources with part-time jobs or freelance work. Take advantage of relief programs. Utilize government or community relief programs to supplement your income. Be flexible. Adjust your budget and savings goals as needed to adapt to changing circumstances. An emergency fund doesn't just provide financial security, it also offers psychological benefits. Reduces stress. Knowing you have a financial cushion reduces stress and anxiety. Increases confidence. Financial preparedness boosts your confidence in handling life's challenges. Improves overall well-being. Financial stability contributes to overall mental and physical well-being.